has been waiting for a new potent aircraft for close to 2 decades. It was in the Kargil War of 1999 that Indian Air Force realized it required modern aircraft, and not just to keep up the squadron strengths, but also to have an aircraft that will keep us a generation ahead of our adversaries, and two critical adversaries, China and Pakistan. Unfortunately, this acquisition was delayed for decades, mired in one controversy after the other, including political controversies that delayed the acquisition. And the Air Force suffered. The Air Force suffered because our squadron strength, instead of a sanctioned 42.5 squadrons, had depleted at this point of time to under 30 squadrons, and that at a time when you have two extremely belligerent adversaries, China on one side, which is increasing its air power constantly, and Pakistan on the other with F-16s from the United States of America. You realize that even when India had to do a Balakot, you relied on aircraft that had been acquired in 1987, the Mirage 2000s, extremely potent. This comes from the same stables, the Dassault Aviation stables in France. These aircraft are a generation ahead of anything that the adversaries have, except, of course, to an extent, the J-20 stealth fighters of China. But look at the weapons load that these aircraft are capable of carrying. The Meteor missile, air-to-air, beyond visual range missiles that can take down an enemy aircraft more than 100 kilometers away, beyond visual range air-to-air missile. If we had the Rafales, after Balakot airstrikes, the Pakistani Air Force wouldn't have dared to come anywhere close to the line of control the next day, because perhaps flying in this area or a little ahead of this, Indian Air Force could have taken down the Pakistani F-16s after Balakot. That's point one. Point two, with its scalp and with the Hammer missiles, you can take down an enemy strategic asset. These missiles, air-to-ground missiles, are so capable that the moment you fire them, the adversary can just forget about surviving. So enemies' vital assets and vital points, strategic roadheads, their headquarters, their crucial points can just be taken down, especially when these aircraft come here in good numbers. So right now, you have 5 of these, another 5 come in next month. By 2021, you'll have all 36. That takes care of your emergency. What will still be required is 110 other aircraft for the numbers. So it will be Tejas to a very large extent. Your Make in India dream is taken forward.
Yes.
Tejas Mark II, and then you keep upgrading those aircraft. You acquire more aircraft, and that will give Air Force the air power it so desperately requires to keep us ahead. Because remember, when you have these aircraft that are omnipresent, omnipotent, and omni-roll, the adversary will think twice before taking any action against you.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.